Hey there, fellow Discord users. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to remove your AKA nickname on Discord in 2025. Whether you're trying to revert to your original username or just clean up your profile, this guide will get you sorted in under a minute. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Discord account on the desktop app or website. Mobile might have slight differences, so we'll stick to the main version for accuracy. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where your nickname is set. It's that simple. Step 1. Locate your username in the server member list, usually on the right-hand side. Right-click on your username to bring up a menu of options. If you're on a mobile device, tap and hold instead, easy peasy. Step 2. From the menu, select Change Nickname. This will open a small pop-up window where you can edit your current nickname. Now, here's the key part. Simply delete the text in the nickname field to remove it entirely, or type in your desired name if you want to change it back. Step 3. Hit the Save or Confirm button to apply the changes. Voila, your nickname should be removed, and you'll see your original username pop up. If nothing happens, double-check that you have the necessary permissions in the server. Sometimes, server admins restrict nickname changes. A quick tip. If you're running into errors, try logging out and back in, or restart the app. Discord updates frequently, so ensuring you're on the latest version in 2025 is crucial for smooth sailing. There you have it. That's all it takes to remove your AKA nickname on Discord. I hope this helped you out and saved you some frustration. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or other Discord hacks you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.